every purchase, you will get a freebies and get a chance to win 1 million dirhams.
Here at Al Riga Dubai for the reopening of Emirates Optical. So let's go! 2, 1! Woo!
Reopening the Riga branch of Emirates Optical.
Reopening ceremony. I'll just give a short brief about Emirates Optical. It's been established in 2000, so 25 years.
The staff are super friendly and accommodating. Some have been with them for over 14 years.
Thank you for embracing our community. Thank you for always supporting. Thank you for actually giving work to a lot of our kababayans. That's very, very important to us.
And for you to exist for 35 years is impressive. And on behalf of the Filipino community, I wish you all the best.
Wish you all the best, and may you empower more Pinoys and other nationalities here in the UAE.
Gusto mo ba ng eyewear na swak sa style at sa budget? Iba't ibang brands at style, lahat nandito na. At may mga discount pa na para sa'yo, kabayan.
Up to 70% discount! Buy one, get one. For every purchase, you will get a freebies and get a chance to win 1 million dirhams.
May LED display sila, bago to. Ano pang hinihintay mo, kabayan? Tara na dito sa Emirates Optical. Kita kits!
Emirates